Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your TransUnion online account security settings. To update your TransUnion online account security settings, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the TransUnion website by typing in the URL in your address bar. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. After filling out your credentials, click the Login button. Once you're logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile option, often found in the menu. Click on Account Settings to access a range of options related to your account. In the Account Settings menu, find the section titled Security Settings. Click on Security Settings to view your current security options. Here, you may see options for updating your password, enabling two-factor authentication, or reviewing recent account activity. To update your password, click on the Change Password option. Enter your current password, followed by your new password in the designated fields. Ensure your new password meets any specified requirements, such as length and complexity. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. If you want to enable two-factor authentication, find the option for it and click on it. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method, which may include receiving a code via text or email. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, ensure your contact information is up to date. Review any recent account activity for any unauthorized access or suspicious actions. If you notice anything unusual, follow the platform's instructions for securing your account. After making all necessary adjustments, navigate back to the main settings page. Take a moment to review all settings to ensure they reflect your preferences. When you're satisfied with your updates, log out of your account for security purposes. Close your browser to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step